Introducing xDataTables, your all-in-one solution for seamless data management and visualization. Effortlessly search and explore your data with a powerful searching feature. Sort your data with ease, ascending or descending, your choice. Share your insights with just a click, export your data to CSV or PDF. Importing data is a breeze. Just upload your Excel file, and xDataTables takes care of the rest. Navigate through your data effortlessly with customizable pagination options. Personalize your experience with our sleek dark and light themes. Edit and delete rows seamlessly within xDataTables. No hassle, just efficiency. Worried about accidental deletions? xDataTables has you covered with confirmation prompts. Perform bulk actions effortlessly with inline selection checkboxes. xDataTables, optimizing your data experience with powerful features, intuitive design, and unmatched efficiency. Upgrade your data management capabilities today with xDataTables. Visit our website to start your free trial.